This chocolate's not for fucking!
You rub it on your skin, and it makes you live forever.
Live forever, you say? I'll take one. Come on, you lazy Mary. Start rubbing me with that chocolate.
I hate you.
If we keep exaggerating the truth, we'll be fancy living in many-ho.
Hooray for lying!
It will make your knee grow.
Great. My wife's trying to grow a
It
beard.
will make you sound retarded.
I'll take 20.
It'll keep your face from getting any uglier. Just in time.
They make you die.
You'll fall in love.
They'll bring world peace.
You'll walk through walls.
You'll rule the world.
Giggity, giggity.
This'll be the best lie yet.
Yeah, this guy'll feel so sorry for us, he'll have to buy all of our chocolate.
What can I do for you boys?